Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Life is the first gift, love is the second, and understanding the third. Life is short and it is here to be lived. Whatever you are, be a good one. Be bold, be courageous, be your best. Sometimes you can't see yourself clearly until you see yourself through the eyes of others. Every moment wasted looking back keeps us from moving forward. I would rather die on my feet than live on my knees. Do one thing every day that scares you. A prudent question is one half of wisdom. There are no mistakes, only opportunities. It is better to live one day as a lion than 1,000 days as a lamb. We must be our own before we can be another's. If we would just slow down, happiness would catch up to us. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Three grand essentials to happiness in this life are: 1. Something to do, 2. Something to love, and 3. Something to hope for. We don't laugh because we are happy. We are happy because we laugh. Everything is funny as long as it is happening to somebody else. Success isn't about how much money you make. It is about the difference you make in people's lives. If you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything. You can't please everyone, and you can't make everyone like you. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. Don't ever confuse the two, your life and your work. The second is only part of the first. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.